In the past, we had to use Google Earth and print maps or try to find ways to put place marks on the map to indicate where we might want the cameras or sensors. A System Surveyor has changed all of that for us.
I'm so excited about System Surveyor 2.0.
There's too much in 2.0 that I love. I love the biometric login. Then when you get in, it moves so fast. I love the performance and I love the responsiveness of the platform. My favorite aspect of 2.0 is probably the drawing tools.
One of my favorite features is your ability to search by element.
I really like the auto sync function of System Surveyor 2.0.
My favorite feature of System Surveyor is the drag and drop and the duplicate feature.
Now we're available on the Android tablet, not just on the iPad. So that's going to extend access to a lot of people who are lovers of the Android.
I really like System Surveyor 2.0.
System Surveyor 2.0 is going to be a game changer for our customers.